Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into an amazing YouTube short success story, ZY Animation. This channel has skyrocketed to 376k subscribers in just 1 month by consistently uploading funny and engaging shorts featuring Messi and Ronaldo. And guess what? They're earning over $1,000 per month from these shorts alone. YouTube has even verified its channel because of its incredible growth and consistency. If you've ever wondered how these viral videos are made, how the scripts are written, how the images are generated, and how these videos are edited to perfection, then you're in the right place. Today, I'm challenging myself to create a video even better than ZY Animation's viral short. Yes, you heard that right. By the end of this video, you'll learn the exact steps to create funny, engaging short that can go viral and help you grow your channel fast. So stick around, because I'm about to reveal all the secrets behind creating viral YouTube short. Before starting the video, watch the video to see what kind of video we are going to make.
Ronaldo and Messi go to Messi's house after training. At Messi's house, they play backgammon first. It suddenly gets cold and Messi
So we're gonna make a video like this. So before that, I'm gonna solve a big problem of you a content creator struggling to repurpose your long YouTube videos into short, engaging clips for TikTok, Instagram Reels, or YouTube Shorts. It's a common problem. Editing long-form content into short clips is time-consuming, and often the results don't capture the essence of your video. But what if there was a tool that could make this process effortless? Introducing Nexus Clip, an AI-powered video editing tool designed to help creators like you grow your channel fast. Let me show you how it works. First, you connect your YouTube channel to Nexus Clip. It's super simple, just a few clicks and you're ready to go. Next, you upload your long YouTube video into the tool. The magic happens here. Nexus Clip's AI analyzes your video, identifying the most engaging and interesting moments. Then, it automatically turns those moments into multiple short clips. But that's not all. Nexus Clip also adds subtitles and creates attention-grabbing hooks to make your clips stand out. Once it's done, you can export and upload your clips directly to YouTube Shorts, TikTok, or Instagram Reels with just one click. No more manually editing each clip for hours. So, if you're tired of spending all your time editing and want to grow your channel quickly and easily, Nexus Clip is the solution you've been waiting for. Click the link in the description below to try Nexus Clip and start creating professional, engaging videos today. To make a viral short video like ZY Animation, you'll need 4 key elements: a well-written script, high-quality voiceover, eye-catching images, and professional editing. Plus, you'll need to know how to upload the video properly. Step 1. Get the script from ChatGPT. First, you need a perfect script, and for that, we'll use ChatGPT. Here's how. Open ChatGPT and type in a clear prompt. For example, ask, "Do you know the ZY Animation channel?" If ChatGPT doesn't recognize it, copy the channel's link and share it with ChatGPT. ChatGPT will then ask how it can assist. At this point, you need to train ChatGPT by giving a specific prompt. I want to make a video like ZY Animation. Create an engaging script for a video in a similar style. However, remember, ChatGPT might generate a basic script. To make it truly engaging, you'll need to refine the prompt and guide ChatGPT more details about the tone, style, and structure you want. To write a viral script like ZY Animation, you need to follow these steps. First, go to YouTube and search for ZY Animation's channel. Once there, head to the most popular videos section and select 4 to 5 of the top performing videos. Click on the share button below each video, then copy the video link. Next, visit a transcript extraction website. You'll find the link in the description. Paste the video link into the provided box and click on Get Transcript. Once the transcript is generated, copy it. After downloading the transcripts from ZY Animation's most popular videos, come to ChatGPT. Paste the entire transcript into the chat box and press enter. ChatGPT will provide you with an initial script. But here's the catch. This script might not be perfect. It might feel copied or lack originality. So give ChatGPT this magic prompt. Take inspiration from this transcript and create a unique, engaging, and viral script suitable for short-form content. Press enter and let ChatGPT do its magic. Carefully read the script generated by ChatGPT. Make sure it feels original, engaging, and funny. And that's it! You now have a viral-ready script in your hands. After finalizing your script, save it in Google Docs for easy access. Next, head over to ttsopenai.com. If you haven't signed up yet, I've already explained the sign up and login process in a previous video. Check it out if needed. Browse and pick your preferred voice. Make sure it matches the tone of your video. Once selected, click on the Generate button. After processing, you'll see a Go to History pop-up. Click on it. Download your final voiceover file and save it to your device. Now comes the most critical step. image generation. If your images aren't realistic and engaging, your video might fail to stand out. Just like ZY animation, we'll focus on creating high-quality, captivating visuals. To create eye-catching, realistic images like ZY animation, come to ChatGPT and entering a detailed prompt. Create an AI image generation prompt for a YouTube Shorts animation style, similar to ZY animation. Once ChatGPT generates the prompt, refine it if needed for better results. Next, head over to Ideogram AI, or alternatives like Leonardo AI or Midjourney, and paste the prompt. Set the aspect ratio to 9:16 for YouTube Shorts, then click Generate. Ideogram may take some time, but the quality is worth the wait. Once your images are ready, download and save them to your device. Ensure they align with your script and maintain a high level of visual appeal. Repeat this process for all required visuals and you're set for the next step, video editing. Now that all your AI-generated images are ready and downloaded, it's time for video editing using CapCut. Open CapCut and drag and drop all the images and the voiceover you generated from ttsopenai.com into the timeline. Start by arranging the voiceover on the timeline and ensure it's set perfectly from start to finish. Next, listen carefully to the voiceover to understand the flow and timing. Once you've aligned the voiceover, begin placing each image on the timeline according to the corresponding sections of the voiceover. Make sure the visuals match the narration and transitions are smooth. Adjust the duration of each image if necessary to maintain a consistent flow. Once the timeline looks aligned and polished, the next step is to animate your images to make them visually engaging. Right-click on an image, go to the Animation tab, and you'll see 3 options: In, Out, and Combo Animation. For dynamic results, select the combo animations. Options like Zoom In, Zoom Out, or pan effects work wonders to add energy and motion to your visuals. Apply these animations to each image carefully to match the voiceover's flow. Once animations are done, the next step is adding transitions between clips. On the right side of the timeline, find the Transition tab. Choose from multiple transition styles, download them if needed, and drag and drop them between each clip. Smooth transitions ensure seamless storytelling and keep viewers hooked. After transitions, next, move on to captions to improve engagement and accessibility. Click on the text button or automatic captions button at the top corner. CapCut will auto-generate subtitles based on your voiceover. Customize the font, color, and style from the right side panel to match your video's theme. Finally, your video is ready. Export the video in your preferred resolution and review the final result. Have we successfully completed our challenge? Share your thoughts in the comments. Enjoy the final preview, and let's celebrate our finished masterpiece.
Messi and Ronaldo were casually playing football when suddenly, a UFO landed right in front of them. A tiny alien popped out and said, "Help us! Our spaceship is broken." Without hesitation, Messi and Ronaldo jumped into the spaceship. As they soared into space, Ronaldo accidentally pressed a big red button. "Oh, what did I do?" he said nervously. Suddenly, the spaceship started spinning uncontrollably. They were heading straight towards a giant asteroid field. Messi screamed, "Ronaldo, do something!" But then, crash! The spaceship hit an asteroid and Ronaldo got stuck in a space crater. Messi couldn't pull him out. With panic in his voice, Messi turned to you and said, "Hurry! If you want Ronaldo to be saved, subscribe and like this video. 3, 2, 1. Boom! A second alien ship arrived just in time, pulling Ronaldo out of the crater. The 3 of them safely landed back on Earth. Messi and Ronaldo looked up at the sky, sighed in relief, and turned to you with a big smile. "Thanks for saving us, hero.